Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. I'm Hashim Ali Khan. So these classes will provide you immense knowledge on different subjects so that you can be able to confidently face the examination and expect good results, excellent results. So right now I'm giving the problems on joint venture. Before that we have taken a number of classes on explanation of the concept of joint venture. Then two short problems also I have explained in the previous classes. Now the third short problem, which had been asked in the earlier examination, I am going to explain. So all these problems are based on passing the journal interviews. In examination, you can expect either a 4 marks or 12 marks problem. So presently, I am explaining about only the short problems. After that, we'll take up the long problems on joint venture. Now, our problem is like this. Raju and Rani entered into a joint venture and keep separate set of books. Remember this. They are keeping separate set of books of account for joint venture. Now, what entries are made in their books for joint bank account opened by Raju contributing 30,000 and Rani contributing 20,000. So remember, whenever separate set of books are maintained, an account is opened called joint venture bank account. So all the money coming in, that will be debited to joint bank account. And all the money which is going out from the venture, that will be credited to joint bank account. Here, Raju and Rani are contributing to bank account. So we debit the bank account. Entry will be joint venture bank account. Joint venture bank account debit. So total how much amount is debited? 30,000 plus 20,000. 50,000 is debited to joint bank account. Right? 2. Who are contributing? Raju. Raju account. And 2. Rani account. How much Raju is contributing? 30,000. So credit 30,000. And how much Rani is contributing? 20,000. Credit 20,000. So joint bank account debit to Raju's account to Rani's account. That's all. What is the narration you will give? Being the amount contributed by each co-venturer in the joint bank account. Right? Now, secondly, expenses paid from joint bank account 15,000. From joint bank account, 15,000 are paid for expenses. And all expenses should be debited to joint venture account. So second entry, joint venture account debit to joint bank account. Joint venture account data to joint bank account. How much? 15,000. Being the expenses paid. The narration which you give is being the expenses on joint venture paid. Lastly, expenses paid by Raju. Now these expenses are not paid from joint bank account. It is paid by one of the co-venturer, Raju. It is an expense. So joint venture account should be debited. Third entry. Joint venture account data to. It is not paid from bank. It is paid by Raju. So to Raju account. How much expenses paid? 3,000. That's it. Being the expenses paid by Raju. So simple. So easily a student can score 4 marks by writing this. Not even 4 minutes will be required for writing these entries. So simple. So logically you think which account should be debited and which account should be credited. That's all. So this is the third problem end. So totally 3 problems I have explained, short problems on joint venture. Hope the concept is completely clear. I wish you all the best for your preparations.